Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making chocolate chip flapjacks. Hi guys, all you need is a bowl, a beater, golden syrup, oats, sugar, chocolate chip and butter. First put the butter into the bowl. Over here, golden syrup, and the dry ingredients goes into the bowl, and your butter and golden syrup goes into the microwave. See in a minute. Right guys, butter's melted. Literally speaking, pour that in, stir it round the end of the beater like that, just to get the loose stuff off the bottom, and we'll chuck it onto the machine. Right, first speed for about 1 minute. Well, that's ready, and we'll tin up now. Right guys, now we'll tin up. Scraper, pour out the mix into the bowl, Get your hands in it, like that. Spread out evenly across. And literally speaking, get your hands, dip it in some water, and then press it down. There we go. And that's it. Ready to be baked. See you in a minute. Hi guys, and the next stage is baking the flapjacks, and oven temperature is around about 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Load up the oven. We'll see you in a bit when they're baked. There are guys, all out and baked. Right guys, the flapjack is now cooled down, and now it's time to put on some chocolate on the top. Well, we'll go and melt that down and see in a bit. Right guys, chocolate's ready, and literally we just pour it straight over the top. Cover it. And that's that. We'll come back when that's dry. Right guys, the chocolate's now dry. We'll now chop it up. First and foremost, take off the edges. Can't beat chocolate. Marker up. Chocolate's still a little bit soft still under there. And there's your chocolate fluff. Look at that. Lovely and gluey, lovely and soft, just how they should be.